Crowell, the running back. Kaiser to throw, looking, Gordon up in the air. What a catch! Touchdown! He is back at First Energy Stadium.
Big run and play action at the goal line. And this pass, a one-handed catch by Jarvis Landry.
Looking for their first points. Kaiser's pass up the Siemens caught. David Njoku for the Cleveland touchdown.
Dominant in favor of the Jets. Smith, pocket holds up. Deep ball, separation, Tyreek Hill! Goodbye, Hill!
Time since 2000, they've won the last three head-to-head. Open receiver, caught, Kelsey.
Fake to Gurley on 2nd and 6. Goff fires downfield, it's Sammy Watkins! Touchdown Rams!
Anytime you have a combination of Antonio Brown and Juju Smith-Schuster, two guys that can get it done on their own. But with AB, you're talking about a dynamic playmaker, a guy that can take the top off the defense. He can do the intermediate things. He is also a fantastic catch and run specialist. And then in Juju Smith-Schuster, someone who will get a chance to go into the number 2 role now that Martavis Bryant isn't there. His ability to make plays, the toughness that he shows going over the middle, he is someone that you have to be accounted for. I like where the Steelers are sitting at. Julio Jones, Mohamed Sanu, Calvin Ridley coming in. They have everything that you could want. Austin Hooper also being a tight end. But really, it starts with Julio Jones. Julio Jones is a guy that can command a double team. He can still win with double team. But this guy, 4 straight seasons over 1,400 yards, does a great job of winning his one-on-ones. But Calvin Ridley coming over as their number 3. You now have 3 guys that can go for 1,000 yards. I think the Atlanta Falcons are dangerous if Steve Sarkisian can get it together. The reason that was the destination for Kirk Cousins, he looked at the Vikings and he knows they have the best 1-2 punch in football. Stephon Diggs, Adam Thielen, both guys are outstanding route runners, terrific hands. These are guys that can really interchange the number 1 role. And because you have a guy like Kyle Rudolph in the middle, a red zone weapon, 15 red zone touchdowns over the last 3 seasons, they have all the weapons that you need to be successful. Kirk Cousins knew what he was doing. He got the big check, but he also got an upgraded receiving core. That should help him play well.